In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall PDFelement. Now, there's actually two ways, and I'm going to show you both of them. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to close down your PDFelement and make sure it's actually not open anymore, not even down here in the kind of your system programs. You can right click on it if it is, and then quit it from there. So to do this, you have to go either to the search box and type in Control Panel, and from your Control Panel, go to View by Category, and then click on Programs. Click on Programs and Features, and then here you want to look for Wondershare PDFelement. I have it here at the very bottom. There we go. You want to click on it and click on Uninstall, and then just basically click OK. Now, that's the first way. However, if you don't see it in here, you may also want to go to the search box, type in Installed Apps like this. Click on Installed Apps, and it's going to open up your settings over here, and in here you should be able to find it. So if I type in PDFelement, there we go, it's over here. I can click on those three dots, click on Uninstall, and basically it's going to do essentially the exact same thing. It's going to ask you for your admin permissions on your computer to actually wipe it out, and there we go. It's going to tell you that they would like to know why you want to uninstall, and here you can just go and basically type in whatever you want, or just click on the one that's relevant to you. I'm just going to basically click on this one over here, or of course it's going to ask you like if you could elaborate, then you can type in some user, of course, like feedback, and then click on continue. And then if you're sure, you want to click on remove again. And there we go. It's going to say thanks for your feedback, and it's going to start uninstalling. It's going to give you a timer over here. This will usually take like half a minute to 1 minute, and whenever that's done, your software, your PDFelement, is going to be uninstalled from your computer. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.